Good morning. I'm Brian Marshall. I'm the chair of the SJA missions team, and I'm here to give you an update on the disaster recovery efforts in Granbury West and Cleburne. As you know, West Texas was devastated by an explosion in April, and tornadoes ripped through Cleburne and Granbury in May. Everyone affected by the Cleburne storm was well insured, so those victims are all back in their homes already. Granbury and West have not been so lucky. Since my last disaster recovery report to the congregation in June, more than a dozen people from St. John's have traveled to Granbury on 8 different occasions to perform a variety of jobs, including debris removal, sheetrock replacement, painting, and even some kitchen repair. Granbury is making slow, steady progress. UMCOR has been able to get several families back in their homes already. Habitat and others have done so as well. However, there are still at least 6 families displaced from homes assigned to UMCOR. Prefab houses have been donated, but the lots must be cleared to make way for them. Repeated calls for trained early responders to do demolition and cleanup have gone largely unanswered in recent weeks. There is a great need for volunteer labor in Granbury right now. Due to the nature of the disaster, West has been much more complicated. Initially, FEMA and the state of Texas denied individual citizens any assistance. More recently, a limited amount of assistance has been made available. Some of the more affluent families were insured, but not adequately. They have used their insurance plus FEMA plus local church assistance to rebuild, so they're back in their homes. Less fortunate families are still displaced from their homes. Many of them are struggling to navigate the FEMA assistance appeal process. They are finally making progress, and money is beginning to flow into the area. UMCOR has hired a number of case managers and a construction project coordinator, so needy families are being identified and project scoping and planning are underway right now. Reconstruction in West will begin later this year, and it will last approximately 18 to 24 months. So in conclusion, there's still a lot of work to do, and there's lots of ways that you can get involved. If you want to help in any way, please contact me directly at the email address that is on the screen there, and it'll also be in the newsletter this week. Thank you very much.